Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your privacy on Facebook, especially when it comes to who sees your public post notifications, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to hide public post notifications on the Facebook app for PC following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Now, select Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. From here, click on Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences and privacy controls. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Click on it. This section is all about how people interact with your public posts and what notifications are sent out. Within this menu, look for Public Post Notifications. This setting controls who gets notified when you make a public post. By default, it might be set to Everyone or Friends of Friends, meaning a lot of people could be alerted whenever you share something publicly. To keep things private, choose the option labeled Only Me. This means only you will receive notifications about your public posts. No one else will be notified. After selecting Only Me, make sure to click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your public post notifications on Facebook using the latest update. Now you can share posts publicly without worrying about unwanted notifications being sent out to others. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.